Hello, traders. It's Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is May the 1st. Okay, we're going to see if selling May go away applies this year pretty soon. But anyway, let's take a look of going into May of what we had in the market and the spies of a couple of really good days to end April. Almost at a multi-month high there. And if we do look at the Qs, we did close on about an 8-month high. Okay, but the key thing is let's see if we see any follow through. Is this going to be another kind of a bull trap? Currently, we're gapping down a little bit in the market, not too much in the Qs, not too much in the spies either. But let's take a look at some setups out there because I'm seeing some nice little setups. Let's start out with this OR. Okay, nice wedge here. This is a gold and silver miner, Canadian. And if I drew it there, you could see the beautiful wedge there. Maybe just set you an alert close to this high going back over there. I can see mine already went off, but that's okay. Let's go to Win, WYNE. This obviously a casino doing well. Boy, major breakout would be, right here above this 116.76 level. I set you an alert there. Still liking this ARWR. I've had it on the watch list now for several days. Key level there would be the 36.15 level. This is after obviously a nice little gap up. It's been going sideways, so watch a break above that level right there. Home builders have been very strong. The trade of the week this week is DH Horton or DR Horton. Just watch a level right there, whatever it would be, a week high there and a multi-month high in DH Horton. One last one to keep an eye on is Omor. Let's see, where's she at? Right there. Okay, keep an eye on this one. Nice little wedge there. If it breaks out, maybe a good one. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.